Why? Yeah, crazy, man. Did you see that, guys? Man, it has just been raining for, I guess, less than 30 minutes. Oh, man. It's a raining evening, 7 days after the floodings. But today, I see the rain has come back. I don't know what's gonna happen, but the best thing is that it's not gonna flood anymore. Let me show you the flow of water. As you can see, the water is flowing smoothly. That's because we unblocked the drainage some days ago. Let me take you outside so that we can see how it's going on. Let's go. Look at this. No flooding. The drainage is so clean. Let's look on this other side to see what's going on. Look at this. Water flowing smoothly. Oh man, don't splash me with water. You see? We need to go to this area. We see a notorious area for flooding. Haha. It doesn't look good, spoiler alert. What the hell? As we were dealing with unblocking the drainage, some people thought that it was not going to rain anymore. Man, they were wrong. Let me show you. Sorry ladies for getting rained on. Look at this. You see? Man, the best thing is that it's draining, but I'm not sure if it's gonna hold on for long. Look at those, all dirty. Man, some eddy current waves right here. A drainage has already blocked. Oh my Jesus, look at this. Oh my God. Man, it has just been raining for, I guess, less than 30 minutes. Oh man. Man, this is wrong. Jesus! What the hell? Oh my. I think I'm gonna show you where we constructed the drainage of the estate so that it can stop the flooding. Jesus. I want to laugh, but it's not good for me to laugh. Man! Why? Yeah, crazy, man. Did you see that, guys? Wow, 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 wow. Poa. Chonjo. Let me tell you something. If you're walking, always give the... Jesus, what's happening? Always give the person driving or riding a motorbike the priority. I don't know why they didn't deal with flooding, with unblocking the drainage in this other side, man. When it continues raining this way, I'm not sure, baby. I'm not sure it's gonna happen. Oh my. Oh, this is a shop of selling clothes. It was fully flooded the other day. Man, that's crazy. Look at this. I know I can balance here. Let me take you to where we dug new drainage system of the estates. Slippery, very, very slippery. So finally, let me show you. You can see this thing with an X. That's part of the drainage. It acts like a connection to the drainage, which I'm gonna show you past this beautiful white house. Let's go and see. I'll leave a video of the earth mover which was digging here to create way for the water to move. Vipi? Chonjo. Okay. Wow. Haha. Look at this. Oh, this is lovely. I told you. People are no longer afraid of flooding. Look at this. All this water is just coming to this drainage here. Look at it. You see? Look at that. That is connecting to the connection which I showed you ahead. By there, from this distance, you can see the Bamburi cement factory right there. Wow, I'm just loving it. Let me take you ahead to the swampy area. Vipi? Habari? Look at this. Extremely slippery. I need to walk at this palazzo. We're going to see. Mambo? Vipi? Now look at this. Look at this. From here, you can see the estate right there. In fact, I'll be going on top of this building to see if I can have a very, very beautiful view of the surrounding. Finally, man, you can see we managed to reach to the drainage. Okay. I'm on the top floor of the house which I showed you. Right now, let me take you so that we can have an aerial view of the swampy area. Kwa ile connection.
Ile ni ndogo ile. Hii ni ndogo. Hii maji ingeenda alafu ipate nafasi ya kwenda.
Okay. Let me see this other side, man. Wow. Look at this. That area is Kazandani. That's Vescom right there. Alafu Vescom Plaza and Bamburi. And this is a swampy area. You can see there's still water. Man. But we hope itanyesha sana, si ndio?
Leo no. Anyway, we are not God.
Yeah, by the way, not
by
God.
The way, from morning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it was even sunny. That was the shocking thing. But right now, all of a sudden, it has started raining. Those people who thought it was not going to rain anymore and they did not clear the drainage, then
they said rain
up to
January.
January. They were very, very wrong. Man.
January.
No, you can see right now it's raining.
And this one?
The drainage. They need to call the earth move again.
And except the engineer should be here.